Part 2 ng ating Dogmas Day 23. And we're unpacking the gifts from the Amigas while doing some career tips if you guys are looking for jobs that you can do at home. So yung next tip ko is choose something that you can learn fast. Una yung mga pag-graduate pa lang, early career should optimize learning and not prestige. Skills equals options and options equals power. Alam nyo, nung Christmas party, nakuha talaga nito yung attention ko kasi very maganda yung itsura niyang box. Ay, maganda rin ang laman. OMG. Diyos ko, Lord, thank you for the blessing of silk. Oh, this is very maganda. I love it. Teka. Oh, lakas maka Emily in Paris. Mamumundok pero social. Oh, ganda, girl. Amiga, salamat. I love it. This is a personal career tip that I can give to my past self, which I am applying now to my future self. And that is, pay attention to what drains you versus what energizes you. After doing an activity, do you feel clearer or heavier? Okay, your body gives you honest feedback before even your brain does. Kaya na may medyas na akong magandang bagay doon sa shoes na bigay sa akin ni Papski. Hello, Sama! Next career tip is talk to people who are already doing the job. Hindi yung mga influencers ha, real practitioners. Kasi yung boring details nila are far more important and will eventually become valuable to you more than any highlighted reels that you see on social media. And next career tip is avoid choosing out of fear or comparison. Kasi lalo na ngayon, holidays, at makikita natin yung mga tiyahin, tiyuhin, at mga pinsan na wala namang ambag sa ating pagunlad at pag-angat sa laylayan ng lipunan. Sayang yung degree, nauna na sila, nasa tate na si baka mapahiya ako. Those are terrible career advice. Makasyala o makeup kit, hindi to makeup kit. This is a bag where I can put my headset or maintenance. Very handy na talaga yan. This is... girl. Ay! Galing kay Kira. Boy, this is very nice. Thank you, Kira's Charms. I also got this. Ito alam ko galing to kay Toby Lorraine. Gustong-gusto to na mag-aama ko. Oh, ang ganda. Oh, ang soft, girl. This and coffee beer na nasa baba. Last career tip would be pick something that can grow with you. The best careers expand as you expand. This helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis.